Hi, welcome back to Your Car Review. In the automotive landscape of 2026, finding a vehicle that balances affordability with legendary longevity requires a strategic look at Toyota's historical engineering milestones. While modern SUVs often prioritize complex electronics and smaller turbocharged engines, the used market offers several golden-era Toyota models built with over-engineered, naturally aspirated power plants. Statistics from long-term durability studies indicate that specific Toyota platforms from the mid-2000s to early 2010s have a significantly higher probability of reaching the 400,000-mile mark compared to the industry average of just 4.8%. In this video, I will uncover the 9 cheap Toyota SUVs that last longer than 400,000 miles mark without major repairs. By focusing on mechanical simplicity and proven engine architectures like the GR and UZ series, buyers can secure a reliable daily driver without the premium price tag of a brand new vehicle. Let's dive in. Number 1. The third-generation Toyota RAV4, 2009 to 2012. The third-generation RAV4, specifically models produced between 2009 and 2012, remains one of the most cost-effective entry points into the Toyota SUV ecosystem. These later years of the XA30 platform are crucial because they replace the oil-consuming 2.4-liter engine with the highly refined 2.5-liter 2AR-FE inline-4. This engine is celebrated by technicians for its internal durability, featuring a stainless steel timing chain and a simplified valve train that minimizes potential failure points. However, the exterior styling of third-generation RAV4 is modest, but the mechanical underpinnings are shared with the Camry, ensuring that replacement parts are both abundant and inexpensive at any local auto parts store. Maintenance of this model is also straightforward, requiring only routine 5,000-mile oil changes to keep the VVT-i system functioning optimally for decades. Consumer Reports data highlights third-generation RAV4 as a top pick, with owners frequently reporting over 250,000 miles on original internal components with only basic fluid maintenance. In the 2026 market, a well-maintained 2011 RAV4 typically trades for approximately $9,500, which stands in stark contrast to the $32,450 starting price of its latest rival, the 2026 Honda CR-V. Choosing this model allows you to avoid nearly $23,000 in upfront costs, while securing a drivetrain that lacks the complex sensors and high-pressure fuel pumps prone to failure in newer models. Owners often praise the uncomplicated interior design and the impressive 73 cubic feet of cargo space, making it a masterpiece of utilitarian engineering that defies its age. It is the ideal entry-level SUV for anyone who values a low total cost of ownership and 100% mechanical predictability. Number 2. The second-generation Toyota Highlander, 2008 to 2013. For families needing 3 rows of seating on a low budget, the second-generation Highlander stands out as a sleeper pick for its exceptional powertrain refinement. This model is powered by the 3.5-liter 2GR-FE V6 that is a so reliable engine that it has been utilized across nearly the entire Toyota and Lexus lineup for over 15 years. The 2GR-FE features a robust aluminum block with spiny-type cast-iron liners that improve heat dissipation and adhesion, preventing the warping issues common in rival V6 engines. In 2026, these Highlanders are often priced lower than the 4Runner or Sequoia because they lack off-road branding, yet they offer superior on-road comfort and safety scores. Consumer Reports notes that this generation offers a pleasant and car-like driving experience that many modern, stiffer suspension SUVs struggle to replicate. In 2026, you can secure a pristine 2012 Highlander for roughly $14,000, whereas its modern competitor, the 2026 Honda Pilot, commands an MSRP of over $40,200. The $26,000 price gap effectively pays for a decade of fuel and insurance, while the Highlander's 5,000-pound towing capacity ensures it remains as capable as any modern crossover. With a clean service history, a 2010 Highlander can easily serve as a reliable primary vehicle for another 10 years. Number 3. The fourth-generation Toyota 4Runner, 2003 to 2009. The fourth-generation 4Runner is the ultimate value choice for those who require genuine off-road capability and body-on-frame ruggedness without the inflated price of the fifth generation. This era offered two legendary engine options, the 4.0-liter 1GR FE V6 and the 4.7-liter 2UZ FE V8, both of which are famous for surpassing 300,000 miles with ease. The V8 option is particularly notable, as it features a cast-iron block designed for heavy-duty truck applications. However, it does require a timing belt replacement every 90,000 miles. For those seeking lower maintenance costs, the fourth-generation 4Runner with V6 version is an ideal option. It uses a lifetime timing chain and offers similar performance for daily driving and light towing. The primary concern for fourth-generation 4Runner is frame corrosion. However, if you find a specimen with a clean underside, the mechanical components are essentially indestructible. In the current 2026 market, a clean V8 4Runner commands approximately $17,000, which is a massive discount compared to the $51,765 price tag of a new 2026 Ford Bronco, or the $44,000 for a base modern 4Runner. Despite its age, the fourth generation's torsion center differential and rugged suspension geometry provide mechanical grip and off-road durability that many modern soft roaders cannot match. If you prioritize mechanical purity and genuine trail capability, this generation of 4Runner offers a level of security that new vehicles simply cannot provide for under $50,000. Number 4. The first-generation Toyota Sequoia, 2001 to 2007. The first-generation Sequoia is the definitive choice for those who need maximum interior volume and towing capacity without the $66,000 entry price of a 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe. It is exclusively powered by the 4.7-liter 2UZ FE V8, which is the same engine that famously powers a Toyota Tundra to over 1 million miles with only regular maintenance. This engine is overbuilt with a 90-degree iron block and forged internals that allow it to handle extreme thermal stress and heavy loads without internal wear. While the fuel economy is lower than modern crossovers, the lack of a monthly car payment and the absence of catastrophic repair bills make it a financially sound choice in 2026. Buyers should focus on the Sequoia 2005 to 2007 models, which received a power boost and a more efficient 5-speed automatic transmission. Currently, a 2006 Sequoia can be found for around $8,500, offering a staggering $57,000 in savings relative to a modern full-size SUV. This price delta is large enough to fund a complete aesthetic restoration and decades of fuel while still leaving thousands in the bank. Owners frequently report that the build quality of the Sequoia's interior plastics and seat frames holds up better than those in new 2026 models, making it the ultimate budget-friendly tank for large families. Number 5. The first-generation Toyota Venza, 2009 to 2015. The first-generation Toyota Venza is often overlooked, yet it stands as one of the smartest sleeper picks for buyers who want Lexus-level refinement on a Camry-level budget. It offers a unique combination of high ground clearance and car-like handling, making it an ideal choice for urban drivers who want SUV utility without the bulk. Mechanically, the Venza utilizes either the 2.7-liter 1AR FE or the 3.5-liter 2GR FE, both of which are among Toyota's most dependable naturally aspirated engines. Consumer Reports praised its wide, easy-to-access cabin and cited it as a favorite for drivers who want SUV utility without the cumbersome handling of a traditional truck. In 2026, a 2013 Venza averages about $12,500, making it nearly $26,000 cheaper than its latest rival, the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe, which starts at $38,600. Because the Venza was marketed to a more mature demographic, used inventory is often in pristine condition with meticulous dealership service records. For the urban driver in 2026, the Venza represents a low-risk, high-reward purchase that offers modern aesthetics and legendary reliability without the premium MSRP of a brand-new crossover. Number 6. The first-generation Toyota Highlander, 2001 to 2007. The first-generation Highlander is the ultimate, low-cost, high-reliability entry point for those who need a dependable family hauler without the bulk of a truck-based SUV. Utilizing the refined 3.3-liter 3MZ FE V6 engine, this generation avoids the complex direct injection systems of modern rivals, relying instead on a proven port injection setup that minimizes carbon buildup and expensive valve cleanings. In the 2026 market, a clean 2006 model typically sells for approximately $7,500, which is a staggering $27,599 less than the starting price of its latest rival, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. Consumer Reports feedback consistently ranks this Highlander as a best used buy for its exceptional visibility and unshakable interior build quality that resists rattles even after 2 decades. Statistics show that the 3.3-liter V6 has a 0.72x lower repair frequency than the industry average, making it a statistically superior choice for a budget-conscious commuter. Despite its age, it offers nearly 80 cubic feet of cargo space, proving that Toyota's early ergonomics were decades ahead of their time. For less than the down payment on a new 2026 model, you can own a vehicle that is engineered to reach 300,000 miles with only routine timing belt replacements. Number 7. The second-generation Toyota Sequoia, 2008 to 2012. If your lifestyle requires a massive interior and heavy-duty towing capacity, the early years of the second-generation Sequoia are the smartest full-size investment you can make in 2026. This model is powered by the legendary 5.7-liter 3UR FE V8, which is an engine so robust that it has been documented reaching over 1 million miles in Toyota Tundra work trucks with original internal components. A well-maintained 2010 Sequoia currently trades for roughly $18,000, but a fraction of the $67,120 you would pay for its modern 2026 successor, or the $65,495 starting price of a 2026 Ford Expedition. Consumer Reports surveys highlight the Sequoia's unrivaled interior volume and its ability to maintain towing stability at its 7,400-pound max capacity without straining the heavy-duty 6-speed transmission. Unlike modern rivals that rely on complex cylinder deactivation or turbo boost systems, the 5.7-liter V8 provides raw, reliable torque that ensures the vehicle won't be in the shop for expensive turbo replacements at the 100,000-mile mark. Owners report that the build quality of the chassis is overbuilt for civilian use, essentially offering a commercial-grade truck hidden under a family-friendly SUV body. Number 8. The Toyota FJ Cruiser, 2007 to 2014. The FJ Cruiser has evolved from a niche retro-styled SUV into a certified reliability icon in 2026 because of its bulletproof 4.0-liter 1GR FE V6 engine and rugged body-on-frame architecture. This engine utilizes a high-flow cooling system and a simplified valve train that allows it to operate under extreme thermal loads without the risk of the warped heads that are most common in latest high-performance, small-displacement SUVs. In the 2026 used market, the FJ Cruiser holds its value exceptionally well at around $28,000, yet it remains significantly cheaper and more reliable than a 2026 Ford Bronco, which can easily exceed $55,000 when equipped with similar off-road lockers. Consumer Reports feedback ranks the FJ at the top of the charts for predicted reliability, with owners stating that the engine just doesn't quit, even after years of heavy trail use. Its specialized chassis shares many components with the Land Cruiser Prado, ensuring that replacement parts are heavy-duty and widely available across the globe. However, its quirky styling and blind spots are frequently discussed, but the mechanical reality is FJ Cruiser offers a 95% reliability score and some of the best resale value in the entire automotive industry. Number 9. The 100 Series Toyota Land Cruiser, 1998 to 2007. The 100 Series Land Cruiser is globally recognized as the benchmark for luxury off-road durability. It uses the Ironblock 2UZ FE V8 engine that was tested in the harshest environments on Earth. In 2026, this model remains a top-tier heritage pick, with used prices for a 2005 model holding steady at roughly $24,000. While this is higher than other used SUVs, but it is still less than half the price of the new 2026 Land Cruiser 250 series, which starts at $57,200. Consumer reports and long-term owners highlight the bank vault build quality, noting that the interior materials and switchgear often look new even after 25 years of use. Factoring in its 6,500-pound towing capacity and a suspension system designed for a 25-year service life, the 100 series remains a statistically safer long-term investment than almost any brand-new luxury SUV available today. The bottom line is, the key to winning in the 2026 market is understanding the price-to-reliability ratio. While new cars offer fancy screens and 25 mpg, these Toyotas offer the peace of mind that comes from knowing your vehicle will start every single morning for the next decade without a $500 per month payment. If you found this video helpful, subscribe the channel to find more cheap and reliable cars and pickups.